The best learning doesn't always happen inside a classroom. So, how does CQ bring education to life? At Central Queensland University, learning extends far beyond lectures and textbooks. Students engage in industry projects, internships, practical training, field experiences, and collaborative activities that connect academic learning with real world application. From modern laboratories and simulation environments to community projects and industry partnerships, CQ provides opportunities to develop skills employers value. Students also participate in leadership programs, networking events, clubs, and professional development activities that strengthen both personal and career growth. These experiences help graduates become confident, adaptable, and workforce ready. At CQU, education is about more than earning a qualification. It's about gaining experiences that prepare you for life and career success. Learn beyond the classroom. Graduate beyond expectations. Start your global journey today.
IAEC Consultants, Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.